Hello, and thanks for taking the time to get to know about our cost-effective livestock management tool called Fast Auction. The software was developed by our programming team at Reference Systems to be highly adaptable and user-friendly. It has been used for almost 15 years throughout North America in various types of animal movement declaration settings. Fast Auction is a Windows-based solution and is designed to act as a management tool for sale barns, dealers, as well as vets. The software allows you to automate your process and avoid any manual errors regardless of the species. Fast Auction works with or without livestock identification, and it can also handle multiple types of identification simultaneously, such as back tags or RFID tags. The software has 7 modules. One of them is specifically designed for vets and agricultural departments. The 6 other modules act as a management tool for the entire sales process, from the reception of the livestock to transferring data to your accounting system, cutting and printing checks, or sending data to USA Herds or similar organizations. The Manifest Scan module is where you enter all the information relative to a consignor and the lots of animals received. The following screen from the Manifest module is used to input and validate the consignor. By clicking in the upper left section, we can select a consignor from a list already populated from previous sales at that particular sale barn. Once the consignor is selected, there's a section dedicated to USA Herds information below, which validates the premise ID, should this be necessary in your process. Finally, details about that consignment appear in the white section of the screen, such as the number of heads, breeds, kinds, and the series of back tag numbers associated to that consignment. If you have RFID tags, they will appear here as well. Our software is still the only one that manages several types of identification simultaneously. The lower section of the screen allows you to add various charges or deductions if they're needed. Once you're finished with a consignor, a slip will be printed out, such as the one on your screen. The Scale module is a screen that displays the information during the sale itself. On the top part of the screen, you see the manifest number in blue as it was generated in the Manifest module. The name of the consignor and total heads to be sold appears just below. On the left-hand side, there are 2 black windows that relate to the activity going on in the sales ring. The first window is for the livestock being weighed, and the second one is for the livestock that's in the ring. The middle column shows the number of heads and respective weights for each. Once an animal is considered to be in the scale, simply click on the green Weigh button on the right side of the screen and the weight will be captured. That animal ID will then move to the bottom black screen, which is considered to be in the ring. Once the ID shows up in that section, simply click on the light purple Sale button on the bottom right of the screen and the detailed sale screen will appear. In this screen, you select the buyer and then add all the pertinent information about the sale. Once you click OK, you will be sent back to the scale screen. Once the sale is completed, all the data is sent automatically to the main auction management module. If your auction is equipped with TV screens, the previous sale will appear such as the image you see now. The Ticket History module is used by the auctioneer. In the top section in black shows the information about the last sale. The yellow writing is what is seen on the main screen in the ring. The auctioneer can also see all the last tickets sold with information about the consignor, the weight, average weight, the buyer, the price, and the pen. The amount of past tickets you can see can be configured from all the tickets to any number depending on your preference. The TV panels or boards seen in the ring can have various kinds of information as well, including age verification data. All of the results are sent in real time to third-party websites to display sale results. The example we see here shows kind, breed, and prices for a sale in Ontario. Another distinctive aspect of the Fast Auction software is all the information screens and reports that are available. The Registration Sales screen, which is the main screen for managing the sales, contains 2 main sections. The upper part allows you to use filters to sort out the information by date or by sale, for example. You can go back to any sale in the past, as far back as your first sale using Fast Auction. You can also filter by lot, by consignor, buyer, or trucker. The middle part of the screen is where you'll find the details about the lot, the consignor, or the buyer that you've selected in the filter section. The bottom section allows you to access various other management tools and reports. We will be seeing some of them shortly. The Consignor Summary is a great tool to see if any remaining livestock is to be sold per consignor. The Consignor Detail provides information about each consignor and each sale code related to their livestock. If needed, you can also use the Consignor Detail to reprint any check, even from years past. On the upper part of the screen, we see details about weights and pricing, for example. In the middle part, we see details about charges, and finally, the total amount of the check to that consignor. The pen screen is a summary of each pen. It allows you to filter by buyer. It shows you how many head each buyer has purchased and in which pen that livestock is. If needed, you can change the pens. In this screen, invoices can be printed. You can also access the purchase summary. The software comes with over 50 reports, and several other reports can be customized if needed. The purchase summary gives a detailed report for each buyer per pen. The number of heads, the weight, and the total cost are shown in this report. The sales synopsis report gives a summary of the entire sale. It shows what has been invoiced, what has been paid, and it also shows special charges as well as the gross settlements. A checks journal is the summary of all the checks issued during the sale, as well as the details supporting each check. The invoice journal shows information related to each invoice, as well as if they've been paid or not. Once everything is wrapped up, you can easily send all your sale data to your accounting system. Fast Auction works with most recognized accounting software. We hope you enjoyed our brief overview about some of Fast Auction's capabilities, and thank you for your attention. Should you be interested in a live presentation to see the software in greater detail, don't hesitate to contact us at the number or email that's currently on your screen. Thank you.